In the previous session we have completed practice set 46. Now today we'll start with practice set 47. Before that we'll see the concept of surface area. Surface area. The surface area of any three-dimensional object is the sum of the areas of all its faces, all its sides. Okay, the surface area of any three-dimensional object is the sum of the areas of all its faces. Now we'll start with surface area of a cuboid. So we'll see the formula to find out surface area of a cuboid. This is cuboid. There are 6 faces, as you can see here. In a cuboid there are 6 faces and each face is of rectangular shape. Okay, each face is rectangle. Now we'll see how to find out total surface area of a cuboid. So total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket, length into breadth, L into B, that is plus breadth into height plus length into height. So as we know, L is length, B is breadth and H is height. So what is the formula? 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket, L into B plus B into H plus H into L, or you can write it as L into H. Okay, so this is the formula. In short, we are writing it as 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket, L into B means length multiplied by breadth plus B into H, breadth into height, plus L into H, length into height. So this is the formula. 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket, LB plus BH plus LH. LB means what? Length into breadth. BH means breadth into height and LH means length into height. Okay, so this is the formula to find out total surface area of cuboid. Okay, and surface area means the surface area of any three-dimensional object is the sum of the areas of all its faces. Okay, and total surface area of cuboid is 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket, LB plus BH plus LH. L into B plus B into H plus L into H. Okay. Now we'll see the next formula, that is total surface area of a cube. Now just now we have seen total surface area of cuboid. Okay. Now we'll see how to find out total surface area of cube. So this is the cube shape, right? Now here also in the cube there are how many faces? There are 6 faces. Each face is square in shape. Okay. So how to find out total surface area of this cube? Total surface area of the cube is equal to 6 multiplied by side square. Okay, 6 into side square. So 6 multiplied by L square. L means side. Okay, side of the cube. Okay, so this is the formula to find out total surface area of the cube. So till now we have seen the 2 formulas, total surface area of cuboid and total surface area of cube. Now let's start with practice set 47. Okay, so this is practice set 47. Question number 1. Find the total surface area of cubes having the following sides. Now the sides are given. We will find out total surface area of cube. Okay, we know the formula to find out total surface area of cube, right? Now the first sum, that is 3 cm. Side is given of the cube, that is 3 cm. So in solution we will write down length of each side of cube, that is L, is equal to 3 cm, which is given in the question. L is given 3 cm, side is given 3 cm. So what is the formula to find out total surface area? Therefore total surface area of the cube is equal to 6 into L square. This is the formula to find out total surface area of cube, right? So 6 multiplied by L square. Now put the values. 6 into L is what? 3, it is given. So 3 square. So 6 multiplied by 3 square is what? 3 3s are 9. So 6 multiplied by 9. 6 9s are 54 and the unit is centimeter square. Okay. So what is the total surface area of cube which is having side 3 centimeter, that is 54 centimeter square. Okay. Side is given. Side of the cube is given. We will find out total surface area of cube. So the formula is 6 into L square. 6 multiplied by side square. So 6 multiplied by side is 3. So 3 square. 3 square is 9. So 6 9s are 54. So the answer is 54 centimeter square. Okay. So the total surface area is 54 centimeter square. Okay. Now we'll start with the next sum. Now we'll start third sum. Okay. Third question is 7.2 meter. Again the same, first what is given that we will write down in the solution. We'll write down length of the east side of cube is equal to 7.2 meter. Length is given 7.2 meter, right? Now what is the formula to find out total surface area? Total surface area of the cube is equal to 6 into L square. 6 multiplied by side square. Now side is given 7.2, right? So 6 multiplied by 7.2 square. Now 7.2 square we will do it here. 7.2, that is first we will do without decimal point. Once we will get the answer, we will put decimal point. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. In the next step, here it is 0. 7 2s are 14. 4 here 1 carrying. 7 7s are 49 plus 1 50. So we'll add this. 4 plus 0 4. 4 plus 4 8. 1 plus 0 1 and 5 here as it is. Now put the decimal point. See here, this is 7.2, here it is 7.2. So 7.2 multiplied by 7.2. After decimal point there is 1 digit, here also after decimal point 1 digit, right? So 1 plus 1, 2 digits. So from right hand side, after 2 digits we will put the decimal point 1 2. So here it is decimal point 51.84. Okay. From right hand side we will count 1 2. So here put the decimal point. So what is the answer? 51.84. Okay. So 7.2 square is what? 51.84, right? Now what we will do, this is not the final answer. We have to multiply it with 6, right? What is the formula? 6 into side square. Side square is 51.84. So 6 multiplied by 51.84. Now do the multiplication. 51.84 multiply by 6. 6 4s are 24. 4 here 2 carrying. 6 8s are 48 plus 250. 0 here 5 carrying. 6 1s are 6 plus 5 11. 1 here 1 carrying. 6 5s are 30 plus 1, that is 31. And here it is decimal point. So what is the answer? 311.04 meter square. See the unit meter. So here it is meter square. Okay. So what is the total surface area of the cube whose side is 7.2 meter? The total surface area is 311.04 meter square. Okay, side is given, side of cube is given. We will find out total surface area by using the formula 6 into L square. 6 into side square. Now put the value 6 multiplied by L is what? 7.2. So 7.2 square is 51.84. And 6 multiplied by 51.84 is 311.04. So 31104 meter square. Okay, hope you are clear with both the sums. We have completed first and third sum. The rest sums which are there in question number 1, that are for homework, that I will tell you afterwards. Okay. Now we'll start with second question. Practice set 47, question number 2. Okay, we have completed question number 1. 2 sums from question number 1. Now we'll start with question number 2. Now in question number 2, find the total surface area of the cuboids of length, breadth and height as given below. Now what we will do, we'll find out total surface area of the cuboid. Yes, we have seen the formula to find out total surface area of cuboid. So now here what is given? Length, breadth and height is given. Means L, B and H is given. L is length, B is breadth and H is height. Okay. So in the solution, first we'll write down length of the cuboid is 12 centimeter, breadth of the cuboid is 10 centimeter and height of the cuboid is 5 centimeter. How we know this is length, this is breadth and this is height? It is given in the question. Length, breadth and height is given. So this is length, this is breadth and this is height. Okay. So L, B, H, length, breadth and height. So in the solution, first we'll write down length of the cuboid 12 centimeter, breadth of the cuboid 10 centimeter, height is 5 centimeter. Now we'll write down the formula to find out total surface area of the cuboid. So what is the formula to find out total surface area of cuboid? Total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket L into B, means length into breadth, plus B into H, breadth into height, plus H into L, or you can write it as L into H, that is also correct. So H into L, height into length, or length into height, that also we can write. Okay, now put the values 2 outside the bracket. L into B. L is what? 12. So 12 multiplied by 10. 12 into 10. Plus B into H. 10 into 5. See here, 10 into 5. Plus H into L. That is 5 into 12. Or we can write it as 12 into 5. Okay. Now 2 outside the bracket as it is. First we will solve the bracket. 12 multiplied by 10. 12 tens are 120. 10 fives are 50. And 12 fives are 60. In between addition sign everywhere. Okay. So after multiplication we got 120 plus 50 plus 60. Now we'll add all these three numbers. 120 plus 50 plus 60. Answer is 230. Okay, we'll add it here. 120 plus 50 plus 60. Now add this number. 0 0 here 0 it is. 6 plus 5 11 12 13. Okay, 3 here 1 carrying. So 1 plus 1 that is 2. So what is the answer? 230, right? So 230. Outside the bracket there is 2. So 2 multiplied by 230, that is 230 multiplied by 2 is what? 460, and the unit is centimeter square. So what is the total surface area of the cuboid? 460 centimeter square. 460 centimeter square. Okay, hope you are clear with the first sum. Once again we will see. Length, breadth and height is given. We will find out total surface area of the cuboid. Okay. Don't get confused between cuboid and cube. Now here it is given cuboid. So don't use the formula 6 into L square. That is for cube. Okay. Now length, breadth and height is given, means we have to find out total surface area of the cuboid. So what is the formula? 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket. LB plus BH plus HL. Okay. Means what? LB means length into breadth, plus BH means breadth into height, and plus HL means height into length. Now put the values. Length is given 12 and breadth is given 10. So 12 into 10. Now breadth is given 10 and height is given 12. So height is given 5. So 10 into 5. And H into L means height is 5 and length is 12. So 5 into 12. Now do the multiplication. 12 tens are 120. 10 fives are 50 and 12 fives are 60, and 120 plus 50 plus 60 is 230. So 230, and outside the bracket there is 2, right? So 2 multiplied by 230, that is 460. So the answer is 460 centimeter square. Okay, hope you are clear with the first sum. Now we'll start with the next sum, that is third sum. Now see the question. In the third question it is given 2.5 centimeter, 2 meter, 2.4 meter. Now if we'll see the units, the second one, that is breadth and height, is given in meter, but the length is given in centimeter. Okay, so first what we will do? First we will convert this centimeter into meter. Okay, then only we can solve. So in the solution, first we will write down length of the cuboid is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, breadth and height is given in meter, so we will convert this length into meter. So 2.5 centimeter we will convert it into meter. How we will convert this centimeter into meter? As we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? So 2.5 centimeter is equal to 2.5 divided by 100 meter. Okay, now we'll do the division. 2.5 divided by 100 is what? 2.5 divided by 100. So we'll remove the decimal point and we'll add here 1 0. Okay, so we will get it 25 upon 1000. Okay, why 1000? We will remove the decimal point. After decimal point there is 1 digit, so we will add here 1 0. So here it is 1000 now. Now see how many zeros are there? 1 2 3. So from right hand side 1 2 3 and put the decimal point. So what is the answer? 0.025. So we will convert this centimeter into meter. So what we got? 0.025 meter. Okay, why we will convert? Quantity is given in centimeter, the other two, breadth and height, is given in meter. So we have to convert this centimeter into meter first, then only we will use the formula. So what we got now? 0.025 meter, right? So what is the length now? 0.025 meter. Breadth is given is 2 meter and height is given 2.4 meter. Okay, that will write down as it is. Now we will use the formula total surface area of the cuboid. So what is the formula to find out total surface area? Total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket, L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Now put the values. L is what? Don't write 2.5. L is what? We have converted it into meter. So 0.025. So 0.025 multiplied by 2. 2 is what? Breadth. Now B into H. Breadth is 2 and height is 2.4. So 2 into 2.4 plus H into 4 and L is 0.025. Okay. Now do the multiplication. 0.025 multiplied by 2 is 0.050, or you can write down 0.05 plus 2 into 2.4, that is 4.8. 2.4 multiplied by 0.025 is 0.06. Okay, you will do all this multiplication in your notebook, right? So 2.4 multiplied by 0.025 is 0.06. 2 multiplied by 2.4 is 4.8. and 0.025 multiplied by 2 is 0.05. Okay, now we'll add all these three. 0.05 plus 4.8, one below other decimal points, 0.06. Now we'll add this. So here it is 6 plus 5, 11, 1 here, 1 carrying, 8 plus 1, 9, and here it is 4. So what is the answer? 4.91. See here, 4.91. Now we will multiply this by 2. So 2 into 4.91, because in the formula 2 is there outside the bracket. So 2 multiplied by 4.91. So 4.91 multiplied by 2 is what? 4.91 into 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 nines are 18. 8 here, 1 carrying. 4 2s are 8, or 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. And put the decimal point here. Okay, so what is the answer? 9.82 meter square. Okay, unit also without fail you will write down. So this is the total surface area of the cuboid. Okay, I hope you are clear with the third sum. In the third question, length is given in centimeter. See, this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. Breadth and height both are given in meter, and length is given in centimeter. So first we will convert this centimeter into meter. As we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? So 2.5 centimeter is equal to 2.5 divided by 100. So the answer is 0.025 meter. So we have converted this 2.5 centimeter into meter. So we got 0.025 meter, right? This is length. Now this is breadth. 2 meter is given breadth, and height is given 2.4 meter. Now we can use the formula. Total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket, L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Put the values. 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket, L into B. L is what? 0.025. Multiply by breadth is 2. Now plus B into H. B is 2, that is breadth is 2. H is 2.4. H into L. H is 2.4 and L is 0.025. You will do the multiplication, then you will get the answer 0.05 plus 4.8 plus 0.06. We'll add all these three. So we will get 4.91, and outside the bracket there is 2. So 2 multiplied by 4.91, answer is 9.82 meter square. Okay. So I hope you are clear with this sum. Now write down, these are the homework questions. So in question number 1 we have completed question number in question number 1 we have completed first sum and third sum. Rest all these three sums are for homework. So please write down these questions. Question number 1, find the total surface area of cubes having the following sides. Second one, 5 centimeter. Fourth one, 6.8 meter, and fifth one is 5.5 meter. Okay, everywhere it is same. Just now I completed question number 1, first and third sum. It is same like that only. Okay, and the second question is find the total surface area of the cuboids of length, breadth and height as given below. Second one and fourth one is for homework. First and third just now we are completed. Okay. Second one 5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, 1.4 centimeter. And fourth one 8 meter, 5 meter and 3.5 meter. As you can see here, all the quantities given, that is length, breadth and height, are having same unit. So no need to do conversion. Directly write down length, breadth and height. Use the formula total surface area of cuboid and then put the values, you will get the answer. Okay. And here also same, sides are given. For the first question sides are given. Just write down the formula total surface area of cube. Put the value, you will get the answer. Okay. I hope you are clear with this. So what we have learned today, we have seen the two formulas to find out total surface area of cube and total surface area of cuboid. So what is the formula to find out total surface area of cube? Total surface area of cube is equal to 6 into L square, 6 multiplied by side square, and total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket L into B, length into breadth plus breadth into height, B into H plus H into L, height into length. Okay, and bracket complete. I hope you are clear with this. So here we'll stop. So here we are completed first and second question. There are two more questions that we will see in the next session. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.